Hey Ashley, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke earlier today about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website, and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website, obviously more revenue to your business. And there's 3 ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images, so it's more information for your customers. We want around 1,500 words minimum on your homepage, and it gives us a place to put higher search keywords. And that helps take away all the guesswork for Google. And Google likes images, so the more images, and when you're saving those pictures, you want to name it with the right keywords. Right here in your content, we want to make sure that we have plenty of content, and within that content, we want to have these high volume keyword searches bolded and highlighted, interlinked between all of our service pages. And what this does is it helps Google recognize that that word is important to your website, and it's going to help you get found a lot easier. So, for instance, if it was roof repairs in Mandeville, then that's what we'd want to have. So, for instance, if I was to pull up this tool and I was to look up some of your keywords, I want to make sure that these keywords are in our content and they're bolded and highlighted. So general contractor Mandeville, Louisiana has a volume of 30 with a KD of 0. So we want this word bolded and highlighted. Bathroom remodeling Covington, Louisiana, 40. Bathroom remodeling Covington, Louisiana. So, contractors, restoration companies in Louisiana, home restoration. And to be honest with you, we could probably go out and find you a lot better keywords. And this will really help your website get found a lot too, is if you had some better keywords on your website and they were bolded and highlighted and interlinked between some of your service pages. So we also want to make sure that these pictures that we have are saved with those keywords. This is just a random number. So we also want to make sure that these pictures are being saved with the proper keywords, and if you can use your NAP, which is your name, address, and phone number, along with that keyword, that'll really help you guys get found a lot more. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains, and it's basically anywhere a website refers to another website. And Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. And it's super important to get these backlinks. It'll add about a 20 to 30% click rate to the organic search results. So I can pull this tool back up, and I can come over here and check out some of your backlinks. You want to make sure that these backlinks are do follows. This is a no follow backlink, no follow, no follow. Also, we want to make sure that these are all do follow backlinks and they're transferring authority to your website. So right here you can see page traffic. All of these backlinks are bringing no traffic to your website. So we definitely want to go out and get you some more, some better backlinks and referring domains, and that's going to help you get your website ranked to the top. Again, backlinks are very important. It's more of a quality over quantity. So I believe it said something like you had a couple thousand, 2,000 backlinks with 13 referring domains. So, it's not about quantity, it's about quality. And you can see right here that your DR is at 3.2. That's your domain rating, and this is your UR of 20. And we want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So we want this to be a 30, and we want this to be a 30. And that means that Google trusts your website. Your website's going to be ranking in the top 3 on the Google organic search results. So that's the main goal, is to make this sure that this is a 1-to-1 ratio. And you're going to see this organic traffic number go way up. And the last way is with citations. It's basically anywhere your business name or number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have in getting to the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. I tried to find your GMB and I could not find it. Right here is your website, but I could not find your Google page. So, if you don't have a GMB, I would highly suggest making one, and then I can click over here and let's see. You want to make sure that this is optimized. Make sure that the pictures are saved the proper way. We want to have 5-star reviews, and we also want to have plenty of weekly posts to our GMB. And that's going to help you guys get ranked. So obviously this is not your GMB. I could not find your GMB. And that's weird because most people have a GMB. So if you don't have one, I would highly suggest making you a GMB. It doesn't take much. It's free. and it just takes a little bit of time to optimize it to get it done properly. And you'll start seeing the amount of calls going through the roof if you have a GMB, because this is where about 70% of all the people are going to call from, is right here in the top 3. They're not even going to go down here and look for a website. So those citations will actually help you get ranked to the top, because Google recognizes that your phone number is in so many registries that it's going to push it to the top. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take those free tips and use them if you want to. If you need any help with anything, please give me a call. I'd love to help you guys. But with that being said, I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.